You don't know it's a boy Unleash, you see me? Representing VSNMpromotion, you see? Right now we are touched on a topic, boy, Jano Star. Disturbing. It hurt me heart when I watched the video and thing, you see? You see how them police kill the man just like that, dog, you see me? Yeah man, that is wickedness, man, you see me? Them police overdoing it, boy. Yeah man, them police overdoing it. Jano Star are fed up with them police and them killing off the youths them and thing, you know. And it's one set of black youths, them police and them killing, you know. Telling you to blood clot. That one hurt me hard, but condolences goes out to Alton Sparks family, Sterling family and thing, you see, straight. But I telling you, I want to grieve my boy. I can't focus. I know because the boy let him build a video one time and post it because trust me, people have to wise up. Children of Israel have to wise up, black people have to wise up on a whole. You see me? And stop make them bring it to we and bring it to them. You see me? Time for we take it to them. But this is what they want, you understand? They want this to start some kind of upstir, you know, some kind of, you see me? Vibes like it, you see me? Push out them new world order laws and, you see me? Martial laws and all kind of thing, you see me? But January hurt me no bumbuckler. Right now I feel like to bust two police head. You understand where I'm coming from? All over yard man and thing and understand? Yeah, I feel like to run up on two police right now and just empty all the clipping of them face and thing and don't even give a fuck about them child and them kids and thing because all you have to remember, you know, once them go in the force, you know, that kind of vote is a kind of brainwash. You see me? So it's like them is not even human being again. Them don't even have life. You understand? Considering human being. I not lie, you have some good police still. You understand? But any good police is a dead police to me. But you have some of them are good in terms of what I mean, like bad, you know, corrupted. Them buck you with a spliff, them would leave you. Them buck you with a gun, them will take your gun and take your money from you and leave you. In terms of that, you see? But Jano Star, them police and them overdoing it in blood clot, you will say. All your white police boy, all your one man come and kill out to no bumbo clot. You understand? Killing off the youths, them innocently, but all of this is a plan still, you see me? All of this is a plan from the New World Order, from the Illuminati, from the bigger heads, from fucking Rockefeller and them, the whole of them. All of this is a plan, people. Not to be aware and be observed and be vigilant. All of my Jamaican people, them are living in America, USA, be vigilant, be observative. What you wanna doing? You see me? Yeah. They don't know RIP. Love for the Sterling family and thing, and you see me? Condolences, but it's sad, boy, it's sad. Trust me, Jano Star, you don't know. Yes, them, we out, VSNMpromotion. The work vibe still, you see me? Bad, we bad. Straight.